Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I would love for you to join the Thrift Squad, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and you'll get all the videos and be inspired on how you can decorate your home on a budget. Today's video, I'm sharing some items that I came across while out thrifting. Of course, I didn't buy them all, but this is the goodies that I found. This 1920s Art Deco bed was wonderful at $65. I popped into an estate sale and found this credenza for just $60. Oh my God, I should have gotten that. And of course, these vintage cane chairs, these were great, and this was only $20. I always come across wingback chairs, and this one was in perfect condition and was only $30. I couldn't even believe it. A steal of a deal. Came across a matelassé vintage sofa, and this was only $60. And rattan is always a favorite of mine, and this rattan sofa was only $70. Look at the details on the side, and it just needed cleaning, or you could have just changed the cushions. Popped into a restore and saw this cute little settee, and that was only $65. Came across this camelback sofa, and this was a really nice piece, and I think it was $120. Another shoulda, woulda, coulda. But then I found another sofa, this velvet vintage sofa, and this was only $50. Indeed, a great find. And then found another sofa, and this one was $45. I can just envision all those sofas reupholstered in some fabulous fabric. Then saw this little dresser for $40, and then a wardrobe dresser for $150. This was an excellent buy. And if you're looking for some cheap pictures on the hang on your wall, thrift stores are filled with them. And not to mention the frames. If you don't like the picture, just get the frame. I found this tropical one for just $5. In great shape, so it's worth having for $5. And at another estate sale, I found this signed print by Russian South African artist Vladimir Trechikov. Now these are very rare to find, but there's still a few of them out there. I am on a hunt for one of his paintings, which is this African girl that I really had my eyes on. So fingers crossed I'll find one. I found this mid-century picture. It kind of looked like a tulip, so I bought that one, and it was signed. This is a painting by James Willis, done in 1995. It's acrylic on hand-tooled copper. It's called Cherry Blossoms, and I bought this for $10. I appreciate more signed pieces versus just regular basic prints to hang on the wall. The pair of these outdoor chairs was just $50. And also this lamp, this vintage light fixture, was only $30. While I was visiting my son in Memphis, I went into a Salvation Army and found this mid-century coffee table, and I got that for $25. Then in another Salvation Army, I found the rattan table for $30, and then another coffee table for $25. Now imagine that will look great with the sofa. So again, I'm piecing a set together really cheap. And here is another bamboo style table as an octagon shape. That was $70. And this mirror that was painted black with a little gold, but it had a bamboo shape, that was $45. And on the Facebook Marketplace, I got this chandelier for just $20. Remember, I said I had a fetish for lamps. And then I saw another lamp. This lamp here was, I love the brass on it and the feet, and that was only $25. And if you like pairs of lamps, this pair here was $60 with the shade. That was a nice style lamp. And then I found this pair of lamps. They were $12 for the pair with the shade. Don't like peach? Here is a pair of burgundy with gold lamps. And again, those were $15 for the pair. I ventured into another antique store and I saw this mid-century drip glaze lamp, and this was $70. Popped into another thrift store and saw this basket for $3, so I bought that to add to my basket wall that I have in my guest room. I hope you enjoyed watching all the goodies that I found along the way while I was thrifting. And always be mindful, it doesn't have to break the bank to decorate your home on a budget. And being more aware of what you're buying, you might even gain value in the items that you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button, drop me a comment, and don't forget to share. Happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.